Hello everybody, welcome to Ceiba Adventures here in Flagstaff, Arizona. We're in the process of creating some educational videos that we're going to be calling Ceiba Currents. So come join me with the tour of the campus, and thanks for joining us today. This is what we call the office or nerve center, and the captain of the ship is Rachel. Hi, Rachel.
Hey, Scott. How's it going?
What's happening over there today?
Same as you. Working hard.
We have Jeff here as well. Also, we have very talented individuals in the office here. I'd like to introduce you to several of them. We have Ryan here. We have Nicole. We have Katie here. And they make your river trip dreams happen. And you'll be talking to all these people sooner or later if you're thinking about going on a river trip with us. Here's Nitro.
Thanks for calling Ceiba. This is Katie.
Okay, the next stop is Ceiba's commercial food pack. It's always hustle and bustle in here. As a client, you have many choices in your daily food plan, and that's why we stock 2,500 items in the food pack. And there's plenty of behind-the-scenes things that happen here. I think Annika's right here getting ready for a trip. Hi, Annika. And we have Ira here packing a cooler. Hi, Ira. And guess who we have over there? Jenny. Hey. What are you guys doing today?
We're packing for a 21-day trip.
Oh, well, thank you. Yeah, I think it's a 7-boater, and all these trips have plenty of fresh produce. We get all the meat from a local Flagstaff butcher. We can put together a menu in any way, shape, or form that you as a client would like. This is one of the many behind-the-scenes things that we're going to be pointing out to you today. A lot of things happen here in the food pack, even when trips are not happening. And the next stop is going to be our warehouse. So come, let's see what's going on in the warehouse. Yeah, this is where all the equipment is stored, repaired, cleaned, put away. Looks like these guys are rigging a trip right now. Hi, everybody. We palletize everything so we can lift everything up with the forklift. We have 2 washout bays. This is the indoor washout bay that we work on all the soft goods after each trip. And then our outdoor washout bay that we clean all the coolers, kitchen gear, and food boxes. It looks like David and Jen are loading up one of the trailers. It's going out in the morning. It's always an active place here in the warehouse. All kinds of things to repair and fix. And later on in several of these other videos, we're going to talk a lot about oars. We're going to talk a lot about stoves and some of the other things that we provide. All right, we're out here on the Ceiba yard now. And one of the common questions we get is, can we store your personal gear while you're on the river? And absolutely, we provide these containers for that. As a matter of fact, we can store your personal vehicles while you're on the river, and we can shuttle those personal vehicles to and from the river. A lot of logistics with shuttles, but make sure you talk to our office about that. Now we're kind of looking at the Ceiba fleet. We have a handful of vehicles out on the road today, but we maintain 10 trucks, 14 trailers, and 4 vans so that we can get you and your group safely to and from the river. And our unique system with these long flatbed trailers offers a really efficient way to load and also unload, as well as a safe manner. We can easily transport your personal boats on our big long flatbed trailers. But make sure you talk to our office about all the options with shuttles. We're more than willing to work with you in any way, shape, or form to make these shuttles happen for you and your group. All right, you guys, let's head into our certified repair facility here. This is where we work on all of our fleet boats This is where we do all of our welding. Looks like Chris has a project as usual. Hey, Chris, how's it going?
Hey Scott, how are you?
Good, man. You always seem to be busy around here.
Oh, yeah.
Right on. Well, thanks for doing what you do.
Yeah, no problem.
Right on. Oh, we got another one of our 16-foot fleet boats in here. Looks like Joey's hard at work. These are our 16-foot E160s made by NRS. We also work on private boats, and Sammy over here is working on one as we speak. How's it going, Sammy?
Going good, Scotty.
Right on. You got what do you got happening?
Another blown nose cone.
Oh boy, nose cone week.
Yeah, they're tough to fix.
If you haven't already heard, we work on all kinds of things river related, whether it's dry suits, rafts, Paco pads, we repair stoves. We'll do all kinds of things if we can get you back on the water. So feel free to give us a call. We'll get you fixed up, and Nitro will be here to greet you for sure. Hey Nitro, what's going on, buddy? We'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Okay, you guys, and another exciting time here at Ceiba. We have a trip going up to Grand Canyon today. It's a 16-person, 21-day, 6-boat trip, and we're gonna check them out and talk to them and see how they're doing. Yeah. Hello, everybody. Welcome to Ceiba. You guys are going on a Grand Canyon trip. Well, right on. Well, I think Marilyn's gonna have a little orientation for you guys about what to expect for the day. And I think prior to that, we're gonna take a group photo of everybody. I also have seen some familiar faces. Thank you so much for coming back. Yeah. Well, you guys have a blast out there. Yeah. And Marilyn and Brock are going to take care of you today.
All right, you guys. My name's Marilyn. This is Brock. We're going to be helping you guys out today, getting all rigged. Once we get up there, we are going to I'm going to back this trailer up to the water. We're going to get those boats off first. We're going to get 2 people blowing those boats up. Everybody else is going to unload everything out of the little trailer and all the personal gear out of the big trailer. We're going to place that stuff right in front of all those boats because that's where everything's going. We'll put one on each side, we'll put one on the back, and that's how we're going to load. Once we get that all done, orientate you guys to all the Ceiba gear. Some of it might be redundant for you guys, but we just want everybody on the same page with our gear. You have permit, participant list, and a copy of rules and regulations. Got all that? Perfect. All right, you guys have any questions? All right, let's get out of here. I can take up to 3 people in the truck. Everybody else will be in the van.
Adios! Have a great time! Oh, you're a good dog. You're doing a good dog, eh? Oh, yeah. You're good. All right, you guys. Another one's going up to Lee's Ferry. We all wished him a great time in that amazing national park that we get to play in. Thanks for checking in with us. Come on, Nitro. We'll see you next time. Ceiba Currents.